us street safe, and yeah. But going back to that, right? They've all got the super perfect recipe. And I think I overshot. It was back there. Sutha kitchen is back there. Or did I make a mistake? Should I be going? Let me see. Sometimes, while I'm just talking the talk, because you all know that I walk the walk, right? I wake up early, I work hard, I make videos. I learned so many different skills, 3D printing. I made a lot of promises, right? That I would do good stuff. And I think Brian, was it off of Brian? We could go this way. You don't have to go this way. You could go the other way to Sutha.
Likey